you doing, guys? This is on a Peterbilt. These are kill switches that we have for the Peterbilt trucks, Freightliner, Cascadia, Volvo, any type of semi, especially the dump trucks that they're stealing like crazy now. They've been stealing them for years, but it has picked up a lot. This yard and all these yards in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Homestead, they're getting robbed. They're stealing trucks like crazy. I can imagine in other states. The way the kill switch works is the minute you turn off the key in ignition, you don't have to do absolutely anything. The unit will arm itself in 30 seconds. And then basically what you do is before you start the vehicle, you have to hit the middle button right here, which is the unlock, and then you're able to start the truck. You don't have to do anything when you get out. Again, once you drive somewhere and you turn off the truck, walk away, close the door, it will automatically engage in 30 seconds. So I'll show you right now. The truck won't start. See? Now if I do the middle button here, and then the truck will start. Okay, and that's a nice kill switch. It's inexpensive. If you are in Miami, Homestead, or Fort Lauderdale, you can give us a call. We come out to the yard and install it for you. It comes with 2 fobs. You have 2 remotes. Anybody out of state, don't worry. I know a lot of people watch this video and they're like, oh wow, I wish I was in your home state. No, you don't have to worry about it. You can give us a call. We have the unit prepped up, ready to go, and we provide you with an installation video. The only thing you have to do is follow our video. The unit will already come programmed, prepped up, ready to go. You just hook up a few wires. Basically, you're gonna hook up like 4 wires, and you're set to go. And we have great tech support if you guys need our help. You can call us and you can order the kit, and we'll send it to you right away. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. This is the kill switch for semi trucks and dump trucks.